Question 2, figuratively, settings, written, literally, configured, rewritten. So we need to find the two words that are most opposite in meaning, and they'll consist of one word from the first group of words and one word from the second group of words. So we'll start by looking at the first group of words. We have figuratively. So this means not literally. If I say something figuratively, that means that what I say, you shouldn't take the meaning at face value. So if I say it's raining cats and dogs, I'm speaking figuratively. I don't literally mean it's raining cats and dogs are falling from the sky. I mean that it is raining heavily. So if I say something figuratively, then the words do not mean exactly what they say. There's another meaning behind them. Then we have the word settings. So settings can be surroundings. Your settings are the places or types of surroundings you're in. Settings can also be fixtures. You have a diamond in a setting. The setting is what holds it in place. It's the fixture. Then we have the word written, which means made or done in writing. Now looking at the second group of words, we have literally. So if you speak literally, that means that the words you use, I should take their exact meaning. So if you say it's raining cats and dogs, you're not speaking literally. Cats and dogs are not falling from the sky. But if you say it's raining a lot, then you're speaking literally. You literally mean it's raining a lot. There's no hidden meaning to your words. I can take every word you say as literal. Then we have the word configured. Configured can mean arranged something or changed the controls on a computer so that it can be used in a particular way. So you can say that some software can be configured, so can be arranged to prevent children from giving out their phone numbers on the internet. Then finally, we have the word rewritten. So if something has been rewritten, it has been written again. So from this, we can see that our words that are opposite in meaning are A, figuratively, and X, literally, because figuratively means not literally. It's raining cats and dogs. I'm speaking figuratively. Of course, cats and dogs are not falling from the sky. And it's raining a lot, I'm speaking literally. I'm using the actual meaning of each word and you don't have to look for a meaning behind the words. I'm literally saying that it's raining a lot. There's a lot of rain. Now all you need to do is mark your answer on the answer sheet. So you need a horizontal line next to the word figuratively and a horizontal line next to the word literally.